Addiction is a multi-dimensional problem. It affects a person biologically, psychologically, socially, and spiritually. And so it's really big. And so our approach to it needs to match that. And so we're using Kundalini yoga and meditation because Kundalini yoga and meditation actually is beneficial biologically, psychologically, socially, and it helps to heal the spirit. Kundalini yoga is so powerful. It is so transformational. There are things that you don't know that are waiting for you, and things that you don't even know that you don't know. And so I encourage you to dive in and to step in to the unknown and take this journey.